Here we go then, March 2023, 23rd of March, and we're on the 401 round Toronto. In comes this police vehicle, no signals whatsoever, just cuts in where he wants to be. Him for a little while, and not too much later he does exactly the same thing again twice. This time at least the signal flashed once, and then a little bit later on, minimal signal, just throws a truck across the traffic. A little while later in the day, doing a bit of country roads, we're actually going around a diversion, and this wombat comes out the side turning. Still progressing on my way home, and come across a truck that had caught fire sometime earlier in the day. They're still trying to cool it down. Just a little ditty there. I upload my videos of my travels around the countryside. Subscribe to the channel, like the videos, I'll put more up.